Hi, this is Janice. Welcome back. Today I will be making a simple and delicious macaroni salad. This side dish is really easy to make. In order to make this macaroni salad, you will need macaroni, cheddar cheese, olives, celery, it's optional, and mayonnaise. To make the macaroni salad, the first step is boil the water in a pot, and once the water is boiling on low-medium heat, then pour the noodles in the pot and let them boil for about 20 minutes until they get tender. Once the noodles are all ready, then you will put the noodles into a colander to rinse. Then pour the noodles into a pan or in a dish to cool off. When the noodles are cooled up, and then you can start mixing all the ingredients in. Okay, so now I'm back and the macaroni is all nice and cooked. So now we're going to add the ingredients. We are going to add the cheese. The next step would be the black olives. And make sure that when you open the can, make sure you drain the juice out of the olives, because you don't want to have any of that juice into the macaroni. Then the last step would be to put the mayonnaise in your macaroni. Now I notice some people, they like to put celery in their macaroni. That's optional. If you want to do that, that's fine. But when I make my macaroni salad, I don't put celery all the time. But that's up to you if you like it or not. Now you're going to mix all the mayonnaise together. Make sure all the noodles, all your ingredients are mixed in well with the mayonnaise. And then once you have all the mixture all mixed in, all the ingredients, then you can put in the refrigerator. They'll get nice and cold, so whenever you want to serve it, then it'll be nice and cold to eat. And we're almost done here. Okay, and now we have our macaroni salad all nice and mixed. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy this macaroni salad. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment for more delicious meals and crocheting ideas. See you next time. Bye.